If you observe these 10 commandments I am going to outline for you, two things are going to happen. One, you are going to make a lot of money from e-commerce. And secondly, you are going to run a successful e-commerce business, especially if your e-commerce business is being done in Africa, in Nigeria, right? So this is going to be a very straight and direct video. I need you to pay attention because there's a lot of money to be made doing e-commerce business in Nigeria. Most of us have made some money. A lot of people are making way too much money in this e-commerce business and they don't even say anything about it. So I'm going to share these commandments with you and I need you to follow them judiciously. Okay. Now, these commandments will guarantee that you experience a productive and profitable business in the e-commerce ecosystem, in the e-commerce industry. All right. Because if, see, there's a lot of money to be made in this e-commerce business if you know exactly what to do and what to avoid. Okay. Now, armed with this knowledge that I'm going to share with you, you will become unstoppable. That's the truth. And in the next 3 months, you should be counting some millions of naira in profit. Okay? I mean, just to let you know how lucrative the e-commerce business is, there are some people who do e-commerce in Nigeria, but they sell to the Ghanaian market. They live in Nigeria. They're in Nigeria. They're in Lagos, Asaba, Port Harcourt, Abuja, everywhere. But they sell to the Ghanaian market. They sell to the Cameroonian market. They sell to the Kenyans. And they are making money without stepping a foot into those countries. That is how powerful the e-commerce business is. All you need to do is to calm down, learn, implement, make your mistakes, make improvements, and you are going to make a lot of money. All right. My name is Courage. You are welcome to my channel. I'll ask you to please give this video a thumbs up so that more people get to see my video. If you are new to my channel and you would like to see more of this kind of content, you may also want to consider subscribing and also, turn on the bell icon so you get to be among the first people to be notified whenever I publish videos about e-commerce, how to make money online, marketing, advertising, and so on. So without wasting time, guys, let's dive in. So the first one is thou shalt sell uncommon products. That's the truth. If you want to make money doing e-commerce business in Nigeria, you have to lay most of your focus on selling products that are not easily available within the neighborhood. Products that cannot be easily found in the open market. Products that cannot be easily found in the superstores around. All right? Because if anyone can just walk into a store and purchase a product, then there will not be any need of the person buying it from you online. So ensure that if you are selling a product, it must be a product that is not common. Uncommon product moves faster. Uncommon products commands higher profit margin. Uncommon products gets you much orders faster. Take note of that. The second one is thou shalt not be scared to slam a high price to your product. Listen, most people probably understand it. It's human conscience, okay? You just want to say, let's take for instance, you bought a product for 5,000 naira and you are selling that product for 10,000 naira. So you now think that your profit is 5,000 naira, but that's wrong. That's not your profit. You did not factor in many things, many costs into that pricing. What did it cost you to go to the supplier and get that product? What is it costing you to run advert, to sell that product? What does it cost you to deliver that product? What does it cost you to call the customer that placed the order for that product? All of this must be factored into it. So if you bought a product for 5,000 and then your transportation, everything is 1,000 naira, that makes it 6,000. Okay. Then for your advert, you are spending 3,000 naira on advert. Okay. Let's just say you're spending 2K on advert, which is very, very poor. Don't ever do it. But we're making an example. Let's take an instance that you're spending 2K on advert. That's what? 5,000 plus 1,000 plus 2,000. That's 8,000. And then for delivery, you are spending 2,000 on delivery. So 10,000 is gone. And then you are selling the same product for 10,000 and you think you are making profits. You are losing. You are losing money. Do you understand? So you must always not be scared to slam a price on your product. Always factor in all the prices first before deciding what your selling price would be. This would give you a vivid picture of how to then price your products properly. Okay, if you are selling with a profit of at least 5,000, so if you bought a product of 5,000 and you're selling for 15,000, then probably your profit might be 5,000 at the end of the day. That's okay. So do not be scared to slam a price on it. Third one, thou shalt use delivery agents, because what? They are going to make your delivery faster and you will get your money quicker. I always give this example. For instance, you are in Lagos and you are selling only within Lagos. And in one day, you have 15 orders. How many of those orders can you cover? You will spend your whole day on the road and you may not even cover all the deliveries. But when you work with delivery agents, they make this work easier for you. Your delivery will be faster and your money will get to you quicker. Now, let's take it a bit further. If you're in Lagos and you target like 5 different states, so you target Port Harcourt, Abuja, Kaduna, Benin, Ibadan, all these places, and then you receive orders from these different places, how are you going to deliver them? You cannot be in Lagos and deliver to Bayelsa. No. So you need delivery agents who would help you get in touch with the customer for the delivery faster, thereby getting the money to you quicker. The faster you deliver, the more money you are able to make, because people and money are not always in constant agreement. The money in the customer's pocket, someone else is looking for it, just the way you're looking for it. So if they step out, they can buy something else. And then when you call them for delivery, they will say, okay, can you bring it next week? Can you bring it next tomorrow, in 2 days' time? Because they've spent that money. But when you are able to get the order, you deliver faster, you get your money quicker. So get self-delivery agents. They will help make life easier for you. And also, when you have the self-delivery agents, don't leave your money in their hands for long. If they deliver for you today, ensure that they remit that money today or first thing in the morning the next day. Don't let your money stay with them longer. If not, you start hearing stories that touch. Be careful. The fourth one is, thou shalt never depend on 1 or 2 ad accounts. You'll be frustrated. Facebook will send you to the village. You must get as many ad accounts as you can because you will need it. See, you don't even need to do anything now. You don't even need to go against the ad policy before Facebook will restrict you. The madness is becoming too much. It's becoming intense and insane. So for you to be on the safer side, you need to have more than 2 ad accounts on standby, so that if one is misbehaving, if they restrict one, you move to the other one and you continue running your adverts, because your business needs these adverts to get more customers. So if you have only 1 ad account and they restrict you, then you are stuck. No adverts ongoing, no active adverts, no money coming in. Your business is stuck. That's a problem. Yeah? So to avoid that problem, you need to get as many ad accounts as possible. Get Facebook account of your friends, your relatives, your siblings. Get their ad account, get their Facebook account, create an ad account with it and have it standby. You will need it. Fifth one, thou shalt not pump money into a product you have not tested. This one is like a suicide mission. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't pump money into a product you haven't tested. If someone tells you that this product is working, go and sell it. Before you now go and buy large quantity of it, ensure that you test the product first. How do you test? You set up your funnel, set up adverts, run some test adverts for at least 3 days. Okay? You can spend maybe 5,000 naira per day, or 3,000 naira per day, or 4,000 naira per day, depending on what you can afford. Test this advert for a period of 3 days at least. That is 72 hours. And see how it performs. If it is bringing in sales, if it is bringing in orders, then you can go ahead and put money and sell it. But before you start selling, ensure that you test to confirm that this is what the market wants before you now proceed to putting money into that particular product. Okay? The sixth commandment, thou shalt not load up your ad account with huge funds. You must learn to schedule your funding. This is if you use the prepaid account, because for the prepaid account, you must first of all have money in your ad account before you are able to run adverts. For those who use postpaid, this may not apply to you, because for postpaid, you only pay money after you have run adverts. So you can run advert with an empty account, and then they get to charge you from your card later on. But for prepaid, it's different. You must have money first. That's for people who use the Naira account. You must have money in your other account first. And if you load up huge funds in your other account, whenever Facebook decide to restrict you or ban your other account, the money in it will go. You will not get it back. So apply wisdom. Schedule your ad spending. All right. If, for instance, in a week, let's take for instance, every day you spend 10,000 naira on adverts. What you will do is that you know that, okay, in a week you spend 70,000 naira, right? So you can be putting 30,000 in your ad account, or 40,000, and then you can be scheduling your funding every two or three days, so that before the money goes down, you add another money. This is because whenever they decide to flag your ad account, you will have small money there, so you limit the loss. You can't eradicate the loss completely, so you limit the loss to avoid tears. If you're enjoying this video so far, please make sure you give me a thumbs up, and of course comment the mistake that you think you have been making in these commandments. Number 7, thou shalt learn how to create a sales page, and then you must use it often. Like I always say, WhatsApp is great. WhatsApp is amazing. Selling via WhatsApp, it's awesome, but it takes a lot of time. It takes effort. It takes energy. It takes your presence. When you are selling on WhatsApp, you are selling one-to-one via discussion, via chatting. But when you are selling via a sales page, you are selling one-to-many. For instance, if your WhatsApp is active and you're selling via WhatsApp, somebody has to send you a message and you chat with them, they make inquiries, they ask questions, you answer, they ask, you answer, back and forth, before they now go ahead and order. But for a sales page, all the information they need to know is already outlined. What the product is, how it works, how it can work for them, how they will use it, what other people who have used it are saying, then how they can order for it. So even while you are sleeping, while you are enjoying yourself at the beach, while you are in class studying, while you are wherever you are, your advert is running and people are placing orders. All you have to do is call them up, send out the products, they receive it, and you get paid. That is why a sales page is always better. Learn how to build a sales page and always use it. It will save you time, it will save you resources, and it will give you peace of mind. Number 8, thou shalt not dwell on a single product because it's doing fine. All right? Unless, of course, you are into private labeling. But if you're not into private labeling, always ensure that you move ahead of time. If you have one product that is performing well, nothing stops you from adding another product to it. For instance, if you are selling this product A, okay, and this product A is doing fine, okay, if this product is doing fine, all you have to do is watch it for some time. Then, if for instance you are selling this product A is giving you 30,000 naira or 50k profit every day, that is for one product. Imagine how much profit you will make when you have two products selling at the same time and giving you money. Do you understand? When you hear people say that they made so millions of naira monthly from e-commerce, it is because they are not stuck on just one product. They have varieties and all the products are doing fine, but it starts from just selling one. Once you find one that is performing well and is doing fine, then go ahead and look for other products that you can also start selling so that it will increase your money and your profits. That is how the millions come. Unless you are doing private labeling, then you can focus on pushing your brand. In that case, you are building a brand. You can then focus on pushing your brand mainly for that single product. I hope that makes sense. Number 9, thou shalt not use logistics companies for delivery. Unless, see, these people, there's no unless. Don't use it. You will cry. It will take days for the product to get to the customer. And when it gets there, they will not take it again. They will not buy. They will just send it back to you, or they might even seize it. It will take days. See, don't attempt it. Don't try it. It's the wrongest, if there's any word like that, it's the wrongest advice anyone can give you. Use self-delivery agents. Use delivery agents. Find them. Go on Facebook. Type self-delivery agents or delivery agents for e-commerce. Type it there. You will see different people making different posts, recommending different people. Contact them. Chat with them. Have an agreement before you start using their services. All right? Don't use logistics companies. They will frustrate you. They will frustrate you. Your money will just keep hanging. You will be losing money every day. Be safe. Be wise. The 10th commandment, remember to push more money into advert if a product is doing great. If you have this product, okay, and you're selling this product, and this product is giving you 10 orders every day, and you're spending just 5K. I'm giving you an example. So if you're spending 5,000 naira on ad, and this thing is giving you 10 orders every day, and out of the 10 orders, you're able to deliver 7 to 8. Imagine how many orders you will make when you now spend 10,000 naira on ads or 15K. This product is doing fine today does not mean it will continue to do fine for a long time. So the best thing to do is when you discover a product that is doing fine for you, duplicate that advert. Don't stop it. Don't pause it. Don't change anything. Duplicate that very advert and increase the budget. If the 5K was the first budget and it's giving you 10 orders, duplicate it and increase to 10,000. Don't just increase to 15 or 20K like that. Once you make that kind of jump, you might get into trouble with Facebook because you don't know what you will do these days and they will flag your ad account. So take it step by step, increase to 10K. After some time, duplicate, increase to 15K. Leave all the ads to be running concurrently. You are making profit. You are not at loss. They are all bringing in orders. And then you have delivery agents to deliver for you. So you are making profit. More money is coming to your pocket. So you can afford to spend more money on advert. So that before the product starts dwindling, before the orders start dwindling, you must have cashed out big. By that time, you don't the ball. You don't the ball RG. Money they smell for your body. There's money. You jumped on another product. Okay? Always remember to push in money into an advert that is performing well for a product. Don't be caught in the web of managing funds. No, if money is coming in, spend it, invest into your business so that you will get more money. All right? E-commerce is fun, and at the same time, e-commerce is frustrating. It's fun, it's frustrating because a lot of issues will come up here and there, but you can handle tough times. Don't worry, you can handle it. If people like us can handle it, you too can handle it. If people are making money in e-commerce, you can make money, you can make millions too because nobody has to eat. All right? There's a lot of money to be made in e-commerce. If you are patient enough to learn, to implement, to make mistakes, to allow yourself to be frustrated, to go through that phase, and then you improve, I assure you, you will make millions of money doing e-commerce business. It takes a very little time. It doesn't take too long. It takes a very little time, and you start counting millions. I give you that assurance. All you need to do is to calm down, learn, implement, make mistakes, and grow. I have a course on e-commerce for beginners. I sell it for just 5,000 naira. It's an online course. It's a video course that guides you from step 1 to the last. Okay? If you'd like to get this course, I will leave the link to the course in the description below. Okay, and it will also be in the comment section. So just go there, click on that link, go get that course, implement everything you learn in that course, and I assure you, you will get great results. All right, get my course on e-commerce and you will love it. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure you like and share this video with as many people you know we found it helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. I am always there to answer your questions. Okay, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram at Courage Ngele. And one more thing, if you come across anyone in the comment section, drop in a WhatsApp number, probably because they have my name, my face on their picture. Don't contact them. It's not me. I will never drop my number on the comment section of YouTube. Those people are fraudsters. Don't fall for their pranks. Don't fall for their scam, please. Be safe out there. If you have any questions, use the comment box below. I will answer you there. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Cheers.